You're smiling in public. You are the light of the office. But when you're alone, you're crying. If this is you, this video is for you. My name is Glenn, and welcome to the channel. Let's talk about this topic. And again, another real talk video. You know what, my friend? If you're silently struggling, carrying all the pain that most people don't see, I want you to know that you're not alone. Marami tayong ganyan, magaling magtago. You're not invincible, my friend. I can see you. God can see you. We can't hide from Him. We can fool ourselves. We can fool other people, but not God. Kaya itong video na ito, maganda itong pag-uusapan natin because a lot of people, they try to hide the pain. Or should I say, a lot of us, we hide the pain. We try to have that person, so we got it all together, that we are strong. But guess what, my friend? Life hurts most of the time. We try to brush it, stay strong, act okay, walang problem. Mahirap i-admit ang mga lahat ng ito, di ba? But let me tell you this, even Jesus felt the pain. Kasi di ba nga 100% human siya. So that makes us all human. I remember there's a verse in the Bible, and this is the shortest verse where it says there, Jesus wept. So na-feel niya yung pain. So if you're hurting, that doesn't mean that you're weak. Diba? God nga na-hurt si Jesus, diba? But it doesn't mean that He's weak. It means that we are human and we are allowed to heal. Remember that. We are allowed to heal. Psalms 34:18. Naalala ko, sabi doon, the Lord is close down to the brokenhearted and to those who are crushed in spirit. So, di ba, crush ang spirit natin when we are, lonely, when we are sad. But remember, that's not just a quote. If it's from the Bible, it's true. So, even in silence, the Lord sees our cry. The Lord sees our tears. The Lord knows that we are alone. Sometimes we think that He's far. But no, my friend, He's closer than we think. In those moments, He's the one carrying us. He hasn't left and He won't. Yun ang nagpapalakas sa akin eh. Kasi, I'm sharing you this because I myself experienced that. When I was young, when I was at school, nobody knew. Nobody knew. Even in my adulthood, even in my married life. A lot of my friends, a lot of my colleagues, they don't see what's really happening inside. Then all of a sudden, it's like a brewing temperature or boiling water, and then all of a sudden it's just gonna boom. So that's why we shouldn't really hold on to it. And all this pain, it's good that we can share it with someone we trust. Obviously, pray about it. Pray to the Lord to give us the strength, to make us strong. Yung mga ganun ba? So maybe your question, kasi naging question ko rin to before. So what do we do when we experiencing pain and we are in the pain? So before, I think I shared it as well. There's one of the content that I posted or a topic. Obviously, number one, accept it. Don't ignore it. Acknowledge it that we're in pain, and then bring it to God, of course. Ang kirito, we tell Him how much we hurt. Wala naman tayo matatago sa Kanya, di ba? We can't hide anything from our Lord. So, we pour it out. It's okay to vent. Just let it out. Release it. Just be real. It doesn't have to be a perfect prayers. It doesn't have to be perfect words. You don't have to be eloquent. We just have to be honest. And yun ang gusto ng Diyos sa atin. Be honest. Don't suffer alone. Don't suffer in silence. Kung meron kayong friends, family, na mapagsasabihan, malaking bagay, those people that you trust. It doesn't have to be a lot of people, but small circle lang na matters. Talk to someone, it helps. That's why I have this video. I created this video, I created this YouTube because like what I shared in the past, it's like a journal to me. It helps me. It doesn't matter if there's 10 views, 15 views, no views, 500 views. For me, I'm treating it as a library for myself or for anyone out there that might need it someday. So that is really the aim. And I'm always speaks from the heart. Walang sugarcoating, walang pagkukunwari, Right now, I'm hurting. A lot of things that, like what I shared in the past as well as some challenges in all aspects. But I know that I'm not alone. I know that I have the support. And I know that God is with me. God is for me. And ganun din sa'yo, my friend. Ganon din sa'yo. So right now, if you are in that stage of hurting in silence lalo na, no? Nahulog pa ang mic. So, take a deep breath, pause, tapos meditate. You don't have to figure it out. We don't have to figure it out ourselves. And right now, hindi pwedeng mabilisan. You can't have an instant answer to all the questions. We can't have that instant answer to all our, questions and all our queries in life on why and how. Yung mga ganon. We can't have an answer right now. And sometimes, it's part of the test. It's part of the pruning, the patience, which is the hardest. Patience. Grabe. My friend, God sees us, ha? Remember that He loves us and He's not done with our story yet, Yung chapter ng buhay natin right now, it's still in the making or in the process for the Lord to make it beautiful. Kasi di ba yun ang pangako niya. So doon tayo mag-focus. Let's hold on to that. It not make any sense at all. Because a lot of time when we're hurting, it doesn't really make any sense. But with God, when the trust that we have, yun ang magpapabago. Yun ang game changer. Changes perspective. It changes our mind, our heart. It makes us more human. So don't hide it. You're hurting in silence. I got that. I'm hurting in silence. The Lord got that. So remember, there's help out there, and we're not alone. So take care, my friend. Stay safe, stay blessed, stay loving, and always remember, the best is yet to come. God bless you. I hope it inspires you. I hope it builds up your faith. And most of all, I hope, nakahelp ako na maintindihan natin on what we are feeling right now. So please like, subscribe, comment, and share. A lot of people are hurting out there. They need to hear the message. They need to feel that they're not alone as well. So say small things like this, I know it will help. Okay? So God bless, and thank you for watching. Until next time. Peace.